Hello everyone, I have the Milwaukee M18CDD, and problem for this one, it's just works to the one side. Maybe it's not bad, you can drill or screw the screws in, but not out. Okay, we need to disassemble it. Taking the armature out, of course it has some dust, some dirt. You can check the magnet of the armature, seems solid all around. Okay, we can inspect the motor, looks nice. Can see some dirt here. Okay. And okay, now the gearbox is really not needed for us now. Okay. And we can try to check what we have here. Basically, we have the motor controller, we have a whole sensors inside, I think. Okay, we have the controller wires. I will try to take everything out, and so you can see we have the direction changer here, this one. So basically we need to check if it's working. Okay, it's orange, green and orange. It goes somewhere here. And we have the MOSFETs here. And MOSFETs here. We have 3 going to the motor. It's M1, M2, M3. And okay, let's check it, what it connects here. Just cleaning it a little bit. It seems like it was oxidated a little bit. Just some contact spray. And okay, we have a switch here. Okay, what we have here? Okay, this one and this one. No. Okay, this one doesn't have. When I turn it on, yeah, this here. So the switch seems to be working. We can test it like that. Nothing here. We have the continuity here. I just switched it to the other side. Okay, so we know that the switch here is working, and basically we can try to measure the voltage here. I will take the brush here a little bit. Okay, for now seems good here. And it seems like we have the small corrosion or something here. Okay. So what more left for us? We can insert the armature and check if we have some movement. Yep, it tries to move now. It tries to move too. Yep, to the one side and to the other side. Yep. Okay. That's good for us, maybe, because we have moved it and it was some, I don't know, dirt or corrosion here, and I cleaned it, and now the motor tries to move to the one side and the other side, so we need to clean it a little bit more and then try to assemble it to check maybe it started to work. Okay, now all we want to do is to get the tool assembly back. As it was. Okay, the changer, we have the place for the wires here. Easily, one by one. The orange, the green, and the orange goes here. Okay, I see that I have the LED wires too short, so possibly they must go on the bottom of the switch. Here and then here, then this one will be in a good length. Yeah, seems right. This will go here. I'll try to put the LED light wires here in the housing. I don't know if you can see it correctly. Now I have the direct changer. Changer goes here. The LED wires. Okay. Inserting all the wires or trying to insert them in places. Okay, the switch seems to be in a place. The field, the controller, of course. Yep. seems to be good. Now I want to put the screw for the gear RC. Okay, got it. Now we have our speed changer. We'll align it with the switch here. Okay. Just trying to align all the wirings. And I don't like the black wiring for the gear RC, and how it goes. Okay, and I believe it must go somewhere in a gap here. Let's double check how it looks. Okay, this one's still not, I don't like it. Okay, this gear also looks to be in a place, but I don't. Okay. The black wire here. This one probably can go here. Okay, this definitely is too short. Okay, I will try to close the housing to check how it looks. Okay, we have assembled it back, looks not bad, and to the normal direction, and yep, and it goes to the reverse direction. I will try to make it slow. Okay, so it can be that it was only the corrosion on a direction shoot button. And now we need to check how it will look with a new check. Oh, looks beautifully with that red line on the red tool. Yeah, very nice. Okay, I will find the screw for this one. I don't know, maybe I will use the Makita screw if I have it. Okay, seems that I have some screw. I will check if it will fit. Oh yeah, the Makita screw fits perfectly. And okay, now okay, the bottom stuck a little bit, so I have messed the wires or something here, probably. one problem, I have this switch a little bit moving, so I will open it and correct the wires. I think I got the LED wires underneath the switch, not on the side, so yep, I will just move it, but the tool is working again, so that's a good news for us, because it was only needed to clean the electronics with a contact cleaner. For now, thank you for watching, bye!